Welcome back. So before we dive into a math problem, let's take a brief moment to just meditate and relax and center ourselves. So gently close your eyes, sit up straight, think about lengthening your spine, maybe even lifting your rib cage while relaxing your shoulders down. You can even roll your shoulders back and down to relax them. And take a deep breath, inhaling through your nose, feeling your belly expand and fill, and slowly exhale through your nose, feeling your body relax. And on our next inhale, see if you can actually hear your breath. As you inhale through your nose, you might even hear it in your throat, the back of your throat as you're inhaling. We're going to exhale slowly. Again, see if you can hear your breath. You might hear it in the back of your throat, sort of like a Darth Vader sound. Inhale deeply. Pay attention to where you might be feeling some tension. Exhale completely and feel that tension release as you relax. And let's take one last deep breath, inhaling deeply through our nose. Breathing in the good air. When you get to the top, hold it for a few seconds. And then gently release it. See how slowly you can exhale through your nose as you feel yourself relax. And then gently open your eyes. Good work. Okay, so here's a problem from the College Board. It's from the SAT test, section 3, which does not allow calculators. And the problem says, which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? And I'm given 4 choices. So take a minute to work on this, see what you can do. It's okay if you're not sure how to approach the problem. Just do your best, and you can even just take a guess on the answer. And then after a minute or so, we'll have a look at it together. So on multiple choice questions, I just need to figure out which of the answer choices is correct. In this problem, I realize that I have one algebraic expression minus another algebraic expression. And the easiest situation for me is going to be when I have a positive term minus another positive term. So let's have a look at this. The first term in the first expression is x squared y, and its matching term in the second expression is a negative, so I'm going to hold off on that. The second term in the first expression is negative, so I'm going to hold off on that. And the third term in this first expression is a positive 5xy squared, and its matching term in the second expression is a positive 3xy squared. So let's work with those two. If I combine them, I'll end up with 5xy squared minus 3xy squared. And this is pretty straightforward. I'll end up with 2xy squared when I simplify that term. And I know that that term has to be in the answer. So let's look at the answer choices. Well, choice A doesn't have an xy squared term, so I can eliminate A pretty quickly. Choice B has an 8xy squared, not a 2xy squared, so I can eliminate B. Choice C does have a matching 2xy squared term, so that's looking good. And choice D has an 8xy squared term, so I can eliminate D. So at this point, I can actually see that only choice C has the matching term, which means that C must be the right answer. So what I want you to realize is you don't have to do the whole problem from start to finish. You can just get pieces of information that will indicate to you how you can eliminate choices and zero in on the right answer. And it's very different from your math class, where you're encouraged to work through entire problems and show all your work. But the SAT is a very fast test. Section 3 is 25 minutes long for 20 questions, and section 4 is 55 minutes long for 38 questions. So you only have an average of a little more than a minute for each question. So once you find the answer through the process of elimination, like we've done here, just say, hey, we're out of here. I'm going to put down what the right answer is and move on. You don't have to solve the entire problem to see precisely what the full answer is. I hope you enjoyed seeing this strategy. And if you have any questions or any suggestions or requests, please feel free to leave them as a comment below, and subscribe to this channel if you'd like to be notified of the latest videos. I enjoyed working together, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.